Hey guys, it's me, Sweet Cookie Gaming, and today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I made with some boxes that goes today, bring in my new furniture, and also at the front it's new. Like here, it's brand new, like you saw in some of my other videos. There were different couches, but this is what I built so far. Just making holes, but the first thing I ever built was my house, and I got an opening and shutting door. So that's my inside. It still says that on the top, and I got sorry that I'm not there, and then I got open. Sorry about that. Then I got, if you just want to read that, wait, there. It just says, please take off your shoes before coming in. And it says thank you at the bottom. And I put 2 shoes there. And yeah, that's how it holds that. And I just put like pieces of paper scratched up there. And this is Lucky's house. So mine's 15A and Lucky's is 16A. B. He has that too. And I put his little bed in there, like you saw. He decided to eat in there. He really enjoys this. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and join our team. And yeah, have a great time. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye. Lucky, when you look at the camera. Bye.